Master the future, be going to, in simple future tense. Hello language learners. Today, we're diving into the future, the simple future tense, to be exact. But we're not looking at just any part of it, we're focusing on the be going to usage. So, buckle up and prepare to boost your English language skills. In English, we use be going to talk about future plans or intentions. It's a helpful tool that can help you express what you or others plan to do in the future. So how do we form this? The structure is quite simple. Subject plus be, am, is, are, plus going to plus base verb. Let's see this structure in action. I am going to study tonight. She is going to bake a cake. Notice how we use different forms of be, am, is, are, depending on the subject. Now that we understand how to form sentences using be going to, let's discuss when to use it. 1. Future plans. We use be going to when we have a future plan or intention. It's a decision already made before speaking. Example, they are going to travel to Spain next summer. 2. Predictions based on evidence. When we predict something in the future based on present evidence or signs, we use be going to. Example, look at those dark clouds. It is going to rain soon. Understanding is half the battle, but practicing is essential to mastering any concept. Here are a few more examples of be going to in sentences. Try creating your own too. He is going to apply for the job. We are going to play basketball this evening. They are going to have a meeting at 2 p.m. Remember, practice makes perfect. Well done, everyone. Today, we've explored the be going to usage in simple future tense. We've understood its structure, when to use it, and practiced with examples. Keep practicing, and soon, talking about the future will be second nature to you. We hope this video has helped clarify the be going to